friends, this is Sheetal Pathak here from your favorite channel Creatively Made in Home, and in today's video we are gonna learn a very simple but very attractive scarf. For this project we'll use Lion brand's silky twist. It is a linen color. It is 140 gram each. We'll need almost 2 skins of this and little bit of homespun, again Lion brand's homespun sand dune color I'm gonna use, which will be required very in small quantity. Both of these yarns are machine washable and dryable, so I'm very comfortable using these yarns and it's very soft also. I'm gonna use 10 mm crochet hook. The finished size of this scarf is 10 inch by 52 inch in length. My gauge here is 3 double crochet for 1 inch and 1 double crochet row for 1 inch. So let us begin with linen yarn. Make a slip knot. Make chain 21. These are my 21 chains. Then starting from the second chain, make 1 single crochet in each of the chains. So we will have 20 single crochet. This completes my 20 single crochet. Make chain 3. Turn the work. Starting from the second stitch, make 1 double crochet in each of the stitch. This completes my second row of double crochet. Again make chain 3. Turn your work. Now starting from the second stitch, we will work front post double crochet in each stitch. To make that, take your yarn over, insert hook before your stitch and take it out after the stitch so that your stitch is wrapped around the hook. Grab the yarn, pull it out and complete the double crochet. Similarly, complete this row with front post double crochet. In the last stitch, make double crochet in the normal way. This completes my third row of front post double crochet. If you see on the other side, you will get a nice ridge, and this will be our front side. Then again make 3 chain. Turn the work and 1 double crochet in each of the stitch starting from the second stitch. Make 3 rows of double crochet like that. completes my 3 rows of double crochet. Then again make chain 3, turn the work, start making front post double crochet in this row. So basically it is a pattern of 4 rows, 3 rows of double crochet, 1 row of front post double crochet. And a normal double crochet in the last stitch. So this completes my one pattern, 3 rows of double crochet and a row of front post double crochet, so that from the front side we'll get these nice ridges. Repeat this 4-line pattern to get the desired number of length of your scarf. So here my scarf length is ready. I have got 14 of this our standard pattern rows, and in the end, after front post row, I have made 1 double crochet row and a single crochet row. Then I have finished my scarf. So once you are done your desired length of the scarf, take the other color yarn, leave almost 12 inch of portion and then make a slip knot. Then start making loose chains. 1, 2, 3. Once you start making the chains, keep it on your work scarf and keep it on the top of the scarf and measure the length. We have to get the entire length of the scarf with these chains. So I have tried for my scarf this long chain. I need almost 130 chains for my length of the scarf. So once you are done with your desired number of chains, just fasten off at the end and again leave almost 12 inch portion as a tassel and cut the yarn. So make 6 of these chains with the tassel and then cut some of the white color yarn, almost 24 inches. So when we are folding this half and connecting as a tassel to a scarf, or this white color tassel and brown color tassels will be of same length. Then take your scarf, one of the chains, and then insert it in between first and second stitch like this. Take it out from the next row, first and second stitch, go to the third row in between first and second stitch, take it out from the fourth row. Likewise complete the entire length of the scarf. Well, so I have inserted one string of chains in between first and second stitch of each row, and similarly I have done on the other side, last but one stitch I have inserted one more string. Now for the next string, leave 4 stitches and insert it in between 4th and 5th stitch. So we'll be left with 4 stitches in between, and then similarly repeat the process, 1 row up, 1 row down. do it same on the other side also. Okay, I have done all my 6 strands of chains, and now we'll connect our white yarn. Just insert hook in between any of these stitches and grab the white yarn, draw a loop outside and just insert this ends like that and pull it out. That's it. So all our tassels are connected. Just bring all of them together and trim it so that they are all of same length. Similarly, do it on the other side. So here our beautiful scarf is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. If so, please don't forget to like the video and leave the comment below. Your comment means a lot to me. They give me a lot of encouragement to do these videos, so please do that. And don't forget to subscribe so that you will be the first to get the future updates. Even don't forget to visit creativilymadeinhome.com, my blog, and sign up there so that you will get access to the resource library, which is full of standard charts and measurements, which will be very helpful for you to make any project. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.